Hello, how to solve for s from this given nice equation s raised to power 12 minus 1 is equal to 0. Solution. We have the given equation s raised to power 12 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now s raised to power 12 can be written as s raised to power 6 square minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the same thing as s raised to power 6 square minus 1 square is equal to 0. If you look at this, this is in form of perfect square. If you have a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. Let's substitute s raised to power 6 plus 1 bracket s raised to power 6 minus 1 is equal to 0. So we can still express this as s raised to power 6 minus 1 is equal to 0. This is equal to s raised to power 3 square minus 1 is equal to 0. Then s raised to power 3 square minus 1 can be written as s raised to power 3 square minus 1 square is equal to 0. And this can be written as s raised to power 3 plus 1 bracket s raised to power 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore we have x raised to power 12 minus 1 is equal to s raised to power 6 plus 1 bracket s raised to power 3 plus 1 bracket s raised to power 3 minus 1 equal to 0. We have three cases here. Let's call this case 1, case 2, and case 3. So let's start with this. S raised to power 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. Let's call this first case. So this is the same thing as s raised to power 3 minus 1 raised to power 3 is equal to 0. Then if you have a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3, this is equal to a minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square. So this is s raised to power 3 minus 1 raised to power 3 is equal to x minus 1 bracket s square plus s plus 1, then equal to 0. And from here we have two cases here. The first case is s minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore s is equal to 1. And from the second case, s square plus s plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. The quadratic general formula is given as s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 1. Let's substitute. S is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square minus 4 multiply by 1 multiply by 1 over 2 multiply by 1. S is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4 over 2. Then S is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 3. But square root of minus 1 is equal to I. Then S is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 3I over 2. This is the value of S. Let's call that one second value of X. Then let us consider the second case. From here, S raised to power 3 plus 1. Second case is S raised to power 3 plus 1, and this can be written as S raised to power 3 plus 1 raised to power 3 equal to 0, and this is equal to 0. S raised to power 3 plus 1 raised to power 3 is equal to S plus 1 bracket S squared minus S plus 1 equal to 0. Then from here, S plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, S is equal to minus 1. Also, from this case, we have S squared minus S plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let's solve using quadratic general formula. We have A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 1, C is equal to 1. And the general formula is S is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B squared minus 4AC over 2A. S is equal to minus bracket minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 over 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of minus 3 over 2. Then S is equal to minus S is equal to 1 plus or minus S is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 3I over 2. This is another value of X. Now let's consider the last case, which is the third case. The third case is S raised to power 6 plus 1 is equal to 0. Then S raised to power 6 plus 1 is equal to 0 can be written as S squared to the power of 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. So this can be written as S squared to the power of 3 plus 1 raised to power 3 is equal to 0. Then this is S squared plus 1 bracket S raised to power 4 minus S squared plus 1 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. S squared plus 1 is equal to 0, or S raised to power 4 minus S squared plus 1 is equal to 0. Then from here, S squared plus 1 is equal to 0. Then S squared is equal to minus 1. then s is equal to plus or minus I. This is the value of x. Now let's consider this case. S raised to power 4 minus x squared plus 1 is equal to 0. So this can be written as s squared minus s squared plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula as well. And the quadratic general formula is given as s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 1. Let's substitute. Then s squared is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 3i over 2. Then x will be equal to plus or minus square root of 1 plus or minus root 3i over 2. Then this is the final answer. Therefore, the value of x are s is equal to minus 1, 1 plus or minus I minus 1 plus or minus root 3i over 2, 1 plus or minus root 3i over 2, and plus or minus square root of 1 plus or minus root 3i over 2. So this is the final answer.